In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Flickr blocks on Squarespace. To get started, open your Squarespace website and head into the page where you want this content to appear. Once you're there, click Edit so you can make changes to the layout. This puts you into the page editor, where you can insert and customize different types of content blocks. Next, go to the section where you want to add the Flickr block. It's a good idea to decide in advance where you want your photo feed to appear, so the page stays clean and organized. For example, you might want it in a gallery area, a portfolio section, or anywhere you want to visually showcase images from Flickr. When you've found the right section, click Add Block in the top left area of the editor and use the search bar to look for Flickr. This is the quickest way to find the block, especially if you're working with a page that offers many different block options. Once the Flickr block appears, drag and drop it into place wherever you want it on the page. After you release it, the block will be added to your layout. At this point, the block is on the page, but you'll usually want to configure it so it displays exactly the way you want. To do that, double-click the Flickr block. This opens the Settings panel, where you can connect your account and adjust the block's design. Take your time here, because this is where you control how the Flickr content appears on your site. Depending on your setup, you may be able to choose styling options, layout preferences, and other display settings to better match the overall look of your website. As you make changes, it helps to preview the block in context so you can see how it fits with the rest of the page design. Small adjustments to placement and design can make a big difference in how polished the final result looks. Once everything is connected and configured the way you want, you're all set. Your Flickr block is now added to your Squarespace page and ready to display your content. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.